Hi guys. So I'm back putting my chapstick on first, and then we're gonna start this off right. Don't want chapped lips. Try not to have the Gucci mans out here. Right now I'm looking for my first stuff, getting a little loose. I'm gonna get ready to do what I do. Right now I'm over here doing my little mix thing real quick. Get me cover up, I don't want to show too much. My husband wouldn't approve. I get a little distracted by times too, if you can tell. It takes me a second to warm up. Give me a second, I'll be right there. Let me fix my hair, get out the way so you can see my lovely face, to see how I'm painting this face today. You always want to start off the eyebrows. The eyebrows are going to be the key point. If you mess up, you have too thick, you're going to look like caterpillars on your eyes. You need them to look like cousins, not sisters. They ain't got to look alike, but they need to look something alike. You get the little design of it, you just, fill it in from there. Make them look nice and even. Yeah, every once in a while your hair falls down. If you got a bobby pin, that works better. But sometimes you gotta live your best life and let your hair go down. All those brushes are different. They look a lot the same, but they're different. Now you come underneath with the concealer, clean it up to give you that crisp eyebrow, nice and clean. Now, get the middle part, clean it up a little bit. And when you're doing your eyebrows, you want some type of art, something, You don't want to look like getting the people's eyebrow, but you don't want to look like you got a straight line on your face. Doing the last finishing touches on the eyebrows, almost done. Clean the unibrow up just a little bit. Blend it out so you don't have no harsh lines. And that was a lot of work. Sometimes you need a little bit of a break after. But I'm going to knock it all the way out for you. Squeeze a little bit out of here. A real moisturized face helps take the makeup a lot better. And just like painting a house or anything you paint, you gotta prime your area that you're gonna cover up a little bit, So on your eyelids, put a little primer. It's gonna take the color a little better. You want to use a little blot motion, just blot it on. You don't want to go too hard. Don't blot your eyeball out. Just nice and soft and gentle, but make sure it takes. After we got all the white primer off. We're gonna go over it with a nice brown color. Just even it out before we actually go our actual eyelid color. Just blending it in right now, getting everything looking nice and smooth. This right now, you can take the time to blend in your concealer. You don't want to everything, like I said, you want to make it nice and flow. You don't want to see the lines. Now we're setting the base of our color, getting a little bit of color, nothing too bright and bold, just something nice and calm. Get a little undertone to it. Right now, it looks like I'm coloring my eyelashes, but I'm actually working on my eyeliner right now. Try not to make it too thick of a line. If you make it too thick, that means you messed up. I know a lot of people use tape, but after a while, when you get a little used to it, you don't need to use the tape for a lot of this stuff. Just free-handed, natural skills. Oh, don't mind my ring. My husband bought me that. And then you just highlight with the eyebrows early, clean it up with the concealer, Make all your lines nice and crisp. And then the eyelashes, my extra caterpillars. Right now, I'm just gluing them up, putting a little bit of glue on them, and letting them sit there and get dry, get a little tacky before I put them on, so they adhere nice and good. Gotta make sure you have nice, even. You want too much glue on one spot, have clumps of glue on your eye, looking crazy now. And now we're gonna use the e.l.f. product, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit on my face. It's gonna look like I got some white powder on my nose. Don't mind that, it's all gonna go away. You just want a little bit of ghost undertone look for a second. It'll go away, I promise. See? I told you it'll go away. I'm bad with it. Now we're gonna just plot the brown on me. Sorry, I get a little tongue twisted sometimes. Yeah, now that it's gonna look like I'm putting some nice warm chocolate on me, but it's not that. It's nice, good makeup. Just want to make sure you get everything on nice, even layer around your face. You don't want no dark and light spots. Now I'm getting the edges of my hair, Don't try to get too much of your hair. Unless you got grays, you can go ahead and paint it up a little bit, Don't be scared. Now come back with the beauty blender. It's gonna take some of that moisture off so you don't look all oily. Now I'm gonna use my highlighter, I believe, just to make sure my features stand out a little more. When doing makeup, at some points it's gonna look like a little crazy, but it's all gonna come together perfectly fine. Just gotta give it time. Now the eyelashes all ready to go on. It's a little sticky. Sometimes you gotta work and get to the right spot you want. Just right here, cleaning the glue a little, make sure they're dry all the way, or not all the way, but dry enough to put them on. Now you come back with the beauty blender again, finish cleaning it up. The beauty blender is gonna look real nasty. You always keep them clean, but they're always gonna get a little stain. Now I put a little bit of powder to help hold the look in a little better, give it so that you ain't gotta worry about all the foundation and everything moving around throughout the day, hold throughout, moving, sweating or whatnot. Now we're gonna come back, get all the whiteness off her face. Good, clean up the ghostly shadow type thing. There's a little bit on my cheek, but I'm gonna come back for that, I promise you. I ain't gonna walk out the house looking like this. If I do, the neighbors definitely gonna think I'm on something. I call that the magical brush. Come in at the last second and clean up everything you need to clean up and make it real magical. Put a little mascara on to help blend in my lashes with the fake lashes, and accentuate my bottom lashes a little bit. Don't like to put lash extension on the bottom ones. They can give it a little too drastic look right now. I ain't going for that. Now you just fanning the rest of the lawn right now. Real fancy, like, you know, like you in church and you just trying to stay cool. Then you're gonna use some like Fix Plus, nice setting spray to set your face, moisturizes it and set it. Then come through with, get the lip filled in, do the lip liner. Just follow the line of your lip. You don't gotta try to go over your lip or nothing. Get a nice little lipstick on. Put the lip together a little bit, move around just to transfer everything nice. Make sure everything's looking good, nothing bleeds over. Go back, clean it up at the end real quick with the liner. Just put a little more lipstick on, just get a little more color. And then bring the lip gloss to give it that pop that you need. And if you're gonna try to kiss your boyfriend or your husband, do it before you put that on, because they can't stand it. And it's voila, I'm done, and I am a baddie. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it. Come next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.